My name is Arshad Ismail. I am a teacher of King Park School even.
How many organizations are engaged in this rally?
There are near about more than 200 organizers are there from each and every locality. All the clubs, all the locality people have taken the procession in the birthday of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
How many years you are organizing this kind of rally?
There are near about more than 200. I have said you more than 200.
Yeah, and have you looked at the difference between previous years and
every locality are making new changes day by day. As every year, whatever was in the last year, this year is more better. Upcoming year, it will be more better than this. What it is now.
So actually, political situation has been changed.
Yes.
There is from a long time just ruling 34 years from the left-hand rule. Now new government has been formed. And have you seen any difference between the previous and the current?
No, like the previous government was also well and good with us. So does this government TMC even is very good with us. They are also cooperating with us in every way as it was happened last year. So we are having same hospitality condition which we have last year, and we think that we are having more better in upcoming year.
Yeah. So where this rally has been started and what?
The rally started from Ripan Masjid, and it's going to be held end at Park Circus Maidan.
And when it was started?
It started at 8 AM sharp in the morning after the flag hosting ceremony. Now here the flag. Now the ceremony is going to be closed.
Yeah. Have any political person engaged with this rally or no political?
There are
what do you think about this celebration?
It is a religion procession. If any political parties are coming, we are welcoming them because it is a religious party, religious procession, and Prophet Muhammad love each and every person, and Muslim love each and every person. So we don't have any restriction for any political parties. Everyone is welcome to come and join this holy procession.
Have you got any cooperation with the present government or administrative like chief minister or any minister, local members?
No, our councillor is there with us, Mandar Iqbal of ward number 61. He is there with us from the top, from the ending till the end. He is there with us. He is cooperating with us from many years. He is there with us, and we hope that he will be with us for many years.
Yeah, in Calcutta, Sultan Ahmed, Javed Ahmed Khan, so many leaders in Calcutta. Do you have any engaged in this association?
every year they are involved, every year they come to this procession.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, always welcome.